Do you need a lightweight ID registration solution? The Aratek Marshall 8 Plus kit is here to meet your needs. The kit comes with a rugged, lockable, and waterproof backpack, designed to securely housing your equipment and support hassle-free mobility, even in the toughest environments. At the heart of the kit is the Marshall 8 Plus Biometric tablet. This powerful device combines biometric enrollment and ID document verification into a seamless workflow, ensuring reliable results while enhancing overall efficiency. Supporting the Marshall 8 Plus are durable accessories, including a carry case and silicone cover that protect the device from drops, impacts, and harsh environments. Additionally, it features a user-friendly stylus pen, offering seamless interaction for data entry and signature capture. A solar panel is available in the kit, providing additional power for prolonged use. The kit also includes a compact printer for printing slips, such as registration confirmations or applicant records, ensuring every step of the ID registration process is documented and reducing follow-up challenges. Compact and portable, the Aratek Marshall 8 Plus kit is your all-in-one solution for effortless ID registration. Ready to see it in action? Contact us. We'd love to chat.